Hello everyone, my today's video is how to bypass iCloud and SIM lock permanently. So without wasting your time, I'm going to start this process and you're going to follow this, and I'm 100% sure it's going to help you to activate your phone without your supported SIM card, and your phone can be activated easily. So very first thing, we're going to on our iPhone, and remember I'm using iPhone 6s Plus, so you can expect that the latest iOS at the moment is 10.3, and you're gonna see how it's work now. So okay, that's the main screen, and as I inserted unsupported SIM card inside as well, so it's searching for now. As you can see, it is coming no service. So okay, you're going to press English. Okay, you're going to press United Kingdom, your place of living, where you live, where that phone belongs to. Okay, now it says choose a network or connect to iTunes. So I'm gonna show you that this phone is not locked or not unlocked already, just for your peace of mind. Okay, they're asking continue. Okay, this one is not gonna work. Okay, we're going to connect this with via Wi-Fi. Okay, we're gonna insert our password. Okay, we insert password for Wi-Fi, or definitely it has to be connected with Wi-Fi. Then it's gonna help, and you will see that this phone is SIM not supported. It should come now. Yeah, here you can see SIM not supported. Okay, now we have to go back again, one more time back. Okay, now here we are. That was just for you to see that that phone is locked from SIM wise and iCloud wise. So we're going to click on choose another network. On another network, we have to do, that's the basic thing, that's the basic and main thing. You have to click on your smileys. Okay, once you click here, you have to go or keep going on your right until you will see some Chinese symbols. Okay, here we go. Here, okay, there are some symbols. Was the reason for me to come on these Chinese symbols are that these Chinese symbols gonna break your iOS via, because this phone now is connected with your Wi-Fi. So Wi-Fi means it's connected to the server automatically with Apple support, with Apple server, and you're going to once you're gonna press these Chinese symbols from here, it's gonna give a lot of bunch, and that one's gonna break your iOS iCloud and the SIM lock, and it will go through easily, and then you'll be able to use your phone with unsupported SIM card. Okay, so there is a one button called SOS. You just have to press SOS. Okay, we are going to keep pressing SOS at least 10 minutes. Okay, keep pressing. Okay, now for example, here I have a little bit forward, quick fast. Okay, now we're going to join this. Click on join. I will show you what it's gonna say. Okay, it says could not find the network. Okay, dismiss. We're going to click on dismiss, and we're going to cancel. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to switch our phone off and on again, and then I will show you what's gonna be. Yeah, we have to restart our phone. Okay, we are still trying. Okay, now I own this phone. And let's see how it's gonna work now. It should bypass your iCloud and your, okay, now we have to click English. Okay, and don't forget that after doing this process, once you restart your phone, you have to take out your SIM card. Okay, because that phone has to be activated. Click next, and let's see now what it's gonna say. It may take few minutes to activate your iPhone. Okay, it says SIM card required. Okay, 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 okay. You can see it says no SIM card. We can put again same SIM card to check. Press next. Let's see what you're gonna say. It may take few minutes to activate your iPhone. We are waiting. Just the procedure we applied. It may take 2-3 times, and as you see, same thing is coming as it was coming before. No service. This is just to show you that I didn't change any other SIM card. That's the same SIM card I put before as well, and same SIM card I put now, as it shows no service. Okay, now you're going to activate your phone however you would like to. I'm going to show you the complete thing. Okay, so the Chinese symbol, that is SOS, you have to keep pressing that thing. Here you can see Apple ID is clean. Here there is nothing. You can click on don't have Apple ID, set up later in settings, don't use. Okay, and you can see here everything. Agree, don't use, don't send. Okay, standard, and next. That's it, that's all. Look like that we can activate our phone, and still it says no service. This is just for you to see that I didn't change any other SIM card. The same SIM card I was using before and same SIM card I'm using now. If you like my videos, please share, don't forget to give comments, likes. Thank you very much.